Obesity is a national problem, but many of the most valuable policies and interventions aimed at reducing obesity occur at the community level. Having maps that quantify obesity prevalence at the community level would go a long way towards supporting these efforts. Unfortunately, existing maps only show how obesity rates vary by state, or at best, by county. As our submission to the U.S. Obesity Challenge, RTI developed a nationwide GIS database and associated interactive visualization tool that shows the distribution of obesity at a highly local scale every 250 meters across the entire country. These high-resolution data enable communities, practitioners, researchers, and individuals to better understand the risk of obesity in their neighborhoods. The U.S. Obesity Map was created entirely from public government sources, including data from the Census Bureau's 2010 U.S. Decennial Census and 2007 to 2011 American Community Survey, and the Environmental Protection Agency's Integrated Climate and Land Use Change Scenario. The data are available for viewing and downloading on an interactive obesity mapping website, synthpopviewer.rti.org/obesity. Researchers, practitioners, and communities can download the GIS data, add their own information, and analyze both sets of data using free open-source GIS software such as QGIS, qgis.org. Mashups of the obesity data with community-level data such as food retailers, restaurants, food deserts, parks, bike paths, and walking paths will help community organizations target their work and add value to their efforts. We provide several variations of obesity maps and data in our submission, allowing users to observe the percent of the adult population that is obese, the difference in the percent of population that is obese compared to the national averages, and the results of cluster analyses that allow users to visualize the statistically significant clusters of obesity. Community organizations and practitioners will now be able to understand where the problem is within their communities. They can take action that is targeted to the areas with the highest obesity rates to generate the most impact with limited resources. Obesity researchers can use the data in evaluation studies by selecting comparison areas that have the same obesity characteristics as their study areas. Thus, researchers can more properly measure program outcomes by comparing apples to apples. The viewer is simple to use. Just use your mouse to pan, and use either your mouse click wheel or the plus and minus buttons in the upper left to zoom. The menu allows you to select different obesity layers. We hope these high-resolution maps and GIS data will make community-level obesity prevention activities more beneficial and more cost-effective, and ultimately improve the health of individuals and the overall population.